Hello, we are in Petra Laser Company. Here I want to demonstrate to you our latest digital microscope with TV output on Full HD screen with 22 inches diagonal and high definition quality. This microscope is controlled by digital drive of zoom and manual focus functions. It has also the possibility to control quality of soldering in microelectronics. And for example, the sharpening angle of some micro size cutting instrument just by applying the geometry of required shape on the screen. It can be used for control of watch production, and in microelectronics this one is just an example of silicon wafer with the etched holes. Also, we can switch the down pass-through light to control the co-axis of these holes in the wafer. The cost of Cyclope, this is the name of microscope, is much lower due to our efforts than the competitors. Thank you.